Preparing for the Databricks Data Analyst exam? Let's break down what you really need to know for 2026. Many guides treat the Databricks Data Analyst exam like an old-school SQL quiz. That's a mistake. The current exam validates your ability to work on the full data intelligence platform. While SQL is foundational, the blueprint now heavily emphasizes governed data discovery, AI/BI dashboards, and AI/BI Genie spaces. If your study plan only covers joins, aggregations, and delta table syntax, you're leaving critical points on the table. A modern approach is essential for success. Let's look at the official blueprint. The four largest domains are SQL execution, dashboards, query analysis, and Genie spaces. Together, these account for a massive 63% of your total score. This weighting tells you exactly where to focus your study time. Understanding the components of the data intelligence platform and managing data are important, but your ability to execute, analyze, and visualize is what truly defines the certification. Your study schedule should directly reflect these high-value areas. Success on this exam is about understanding the analyst workflow, not just memorizing terms. Can you find a governed table in Unity Catalog and check its lineage? Can you query it efficiently and then diagnose a slow query using query history or insights? The exam expects you to then turn that data into a dashboard with proper permissions and also make it accessible through a Genie space. This procedural knowledge is what separates passing candidates from those who just study definitions. Two areas that trip up candidates relying on older materials are AI/BI dashboards and Genie spaces. For dashboards, you need to know more than just chart types. Be ready for questions on configuring parameters, scheduling refreshes, and setting up alerts and sharing. For AI/BI Genie, focus on what makes a space trustworthy and effective. This includes curating datasets, providing clear instructions and sample questions, selecting the right warehouse, and managing permissions for secure, reliable user interaction. Beyond visualization, the exam tests your ability to troubleshoot and secure data. The Analyzing Queries domain is large because analysts are expected to be problem solvers. Know how to use query history and insights, and understand the impact of photon and liquid clustering. For security, focus on Unity Catalog governance scenarios. You'll need to understand its three-level namespace, table ownership rules, and how to apply controls for sensitive data like PII, ensuring you can choose the right tool for the job. To bring this all together, follow a structured 5-phase study plan. Start by mastering Unity Catalog and data discovery. Then, dedicate a significant block to Databricks SQL and SQL warehouses. Follow that with deep dives into query analysis and then AI/BI dashboards. In the final phase, focus on Genie spaces, data modeling, and security, while running full, timed 45-question practice sets. This phased approach ensures you cover all the high-yield topics methodically and build confidence for exam day. Reading about the exam is one thing, but true readiness comes from practice. The best way to test your knowledge of the analyst workflow, from Unity Catalog to AI/BI Genie, is to work through realistic, blueprint-aligned questions. Open Exam Prep has free practice questions that cover all 9 official domains. Use them to find your weak spots and turn this guide into a successful exam result. Visit open-examprep.com to get started.